This vehicle's fuel door doesn't open. When the lever here is pulled on the floorboard, you can hear it's doing something, but it's not popping open. It's slightly inconvenient if you're unable to fuel your vehicle. So temporarily it was fixed like this. Prop it open with or in this up position with a chunk of rock, a stone, a car key, whatever. And in this configuration the door can be rotated. This plunger here, or this latch here, retracts back into the vehicle's body as it should. When that lever is operated, take a look. So that part is flawless, but this small spring plate is needed to open this fuel door. This is a friction fit item. It doesn't need tools for installation, and it goes somewhere here on this side, on the hinge side, and it should just pop the door open ever so slightly, just this much. So I ordered it for $3.50. Actually, it didn't need ordering, it was available. And I'm going to guess it. It either goes, there are a couple of geometric configurations this can work. It has to work not in the open position, it has to work in the closed position, so you have to look at it from above maybe. Which surfaces will be coming in close contact when this fuel door is open. So here in the middle, those two surfaces are reasonable suspects. You can also see there is a slight wear on it as the spring plate is not lubricated, and my guess in this case it's gonna be this, that it's gonna go on this way, like so. And let's see, yeah, that spring plate is being compressed this way. Let's test this theory here. Pull the lever. Oh yes, Houston, we have takeoff. That's good. It's working. So, test again. Oh, nice. So this cost me $3.50, without which refueling the vehicle is slightly inconvenient. So there, it takes about this much time to install it, and 3 times as long as it takes to install to watch this video. Thank you very much for your patience.